Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about our Mathy Monster Munch game. So this game focuses on more, less, or equal, and the goal is to teach your child how to match and compare groups of items to see which has more, less, or equal. We have matching, comparing, and counting are our skills at play. Something we want to mention is that our instructions look a little bit different now. So instead of having one pamphlet, or three different pamphlets that look like this, we have one pamphlet that looks like this, and it has level 1, level 2, and level 3, as well as all the different languages on. We have here our instructor guide that gives examples of the vocabulary we can expect from children, vocabulary we can expect from adults, or we can use as adults, and then the examples of self-talk, examples of parallel talk, and on the back we have Teaching Strategies Gold Alignment, as well as a book that connects to the more, less, or equal concept, and examples of playing the game in the classroom and at home. Level 1. Level 1 is all about more. We want to explore the more concept and kind of get children to understand what more is. So we have our yellow mats right here. There are two sides. There is a yellow side and a green side. You might have two different colors in your game box, and that's okay as long as one color is on each side so the children kind of know how to separate and distinguish the more and less side. So this side has 8 on this side and 3 on this side, and if your child is not yet ready to subitize, to know immediately how many there are, or to recognize numerals, then we can go ahead and count them. So I'm going to set this down, and I'm going to use my cubes. I'm going to use my blue cubes and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now I'm going to go on this side and grab another color. 1, 2, 3. So I have 8 on one side and 3 on the other. So here I have my alligator monster that's going to eat the side that has the most. So I'm going to go, my alligator is going to eat the side with 8. Ow, 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 ow. That was really good, huh?
Count.
I go 1, 2, 3.
3. Okay. You want to help me?
No, it's your turn.
My turn? Okay.
Yeah.
1. Help me count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
I got 1.
You have how many?
I got 1,
2,
2, 3.
3. So which one is more?
More. So this guy's
Gonna eat the biggest meal. Which one's the biggest? Which one looks the biggest? 3.
I think he don't like that.
He likes this one?
Mm-hmm.
He wants this one, the blue side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nom,
Nom,
nom, nom, nom.
nom, 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 nom.
Okay, so now we've moved on to level 2. So for level 2, we're going to have one person flip over a blue card and place it down, and one person flip over a purple card and place it down. Now we're going to look at our cards and see how many we have on each side. So here we have a card with 0 cubes, and here we have a card with 6 cubes. And if we're not counting yet, or if we're not recognizing numerals yet, we can go ahead and place cubes on the card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 0 and we have 6. Which side has the most, or which card got the most? Okay, we have 6 right here. I'm going to say that 6 is the most. So I'm going to go ahead and feed 6 cubes to the more monster. And you guys will notice here we have the more monster. We have the equal monster that only eats the same, and we have the less monster that likes to eat a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yum, yum, yum. Monsters love cubes.
Yeah, I have 5. How many do you have? I flipped the number 5. You have the number 6. Can you count them for me?
Okay.
1. No, count. Okay. 2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5. Let's count yours. 1, 2. Good job. 3. Keep going. You're okay. 4, 5. Oh, I have 5. You have 6. So do you have more than me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, feed the blue guy. Put them in there. No, 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 no. And I have less than you, so we're going to do the green. Don't put.
Okay, so now for level 3, we're going to have our bag with monster snacks and then our 3 monsters. So we have the more monster that always eats more or most. We have the equal monster that eats the same no matter what. And we have the less monster that just likes to eat a little bit. And our bag with monster snacks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out some snacks, and then we're going to count them and see which side, which snack there are more of. So here we have some stinky socks. Monsters love stinky socks. And our fish taco. So we're going to go ahead and count how many stinky socks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stinky socks. 1, 2, 3 fish tacos, and I have 2 more stinky socks, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stinky socks. So which side has more? Okay, I think that this stinky socks has more than the fish taco, so I'm going to go ahead and collect my stinky socks. And I'm going to go ahead and feed them through to the more monster because he's really hungry. And then I'm going to take my fish tacos and feed them to the less monster because he's just a little hungry.
So I'm going to pull out.
No. I have to feed them first. I'm going to feed them first.
Do we have the same? It's called equal. How many do you have?
1.
1.
1.
2. How many do you have?
2.
How many do you have?
1 and 2.
You have 2?
I feed
Good
this
job. So we have, can you say equal?
Equal.
Equal. Good job. You ready?
Mommy.
I'm not.